This is DJI Mini 2 SE, and today I will review all the parts and interfaces and buttons of this drone and its remote controller. Let's start with assembling and reviewing the remote controller first. So here at the bottom you should find these two sticks or joysticks that you should take out of their respective compartments and screw into their main position onto the joystick itself here. So those are the stick controls that you move your drone around with and just, practically use it through. Here you have FN programmable button, which you can assign a bunch of options on. You also have the switch that allows you to change your drone mode between sign, normal and sport mode. So sign is the slowest and most the smoothest one, the slowest and the smoothest one. Normal mode is normal, it flies on the average speed. And sport mode allows your drone to fly as fast as it can, but keep in mind that the sport mode does not support the obstacle avoidance feature. So yeah, fly with caution once in the sport mode. But for everyday regular use, if I were you, I would just stick to sign or normal modes. This button is obviously the power button, which, we use to power on the remote controller. This button allows you to return your drone home, send it the RTH signal, or just pause it. This little button to your right, or to my right rather, allows you to switch between camera modes. This button allows you to either start recording and end recording or take a picture depending on which mode your drone is currently in, video or photo mode. And this dial allows you to, move your camera or tilt your camera to the bottom and to the top respectively. What else? That's about it. This is the port that you plug your charging and transferring wire into. And the last thing that I forgot to mention on the remote controller is this mounting rack, which you simply mount your phone on. So put it here, just like that, and it stays here. And you gotta also find those two ports at the bottom, which are used, or actually one is port and another one, I have no idea what it does. So the right one is the Type-C port, as you can see. Here you insert your wire, one of those, and this way you connect your phone and your controller together. So as far as the RC goes, that'll be it. Let's begin reviewing the drone. So first you'll need to take this cap off. Now you can unfold its legs. So start with the top legs, just unfold them, and those bottom legs you need to twist them or twirl them before you unfold those. Here you'll find a bunch of stuff. So here's the camera that is currently protected by this thing, so take it off if you would like to use your drone. What else? Here is your power button, your status or indicator lights. It has the obstacle avoidance sensors all around that it uses to avoid obstacles, obviously. And that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for actually before I go, here is the SD card slot and here is the charging or file transferring port. So this time that will be it for sure. Thanks for watching and bye bye.